Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel Let's Talk Stocks. So today is a video that I'm going to make. The date is on March the 9th 2021 and I'm going to record this video now and I'm not going to publish it until a year. So I'm going to edit this video now, I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel, I'm going to set it as private, I'm going to set the publish date to exactly 1 year from now. So when you're watching this video was made a year ago. So the point of this video is to show you what can happen to a portfolio in a year. So you can see I've invested £10,000, just over £10,000, £10,000 and 55 pence. I'm currently down 19.21%, which is £1,921 14p in the red. So the portfolio is worth £8,015 89 pence currently. So like I said, this video you'll be watching, this is a year old. Tomorrow I'm going to do another video showing you my portfolio and whether it's gone up or whether it's gone down. I'm hoping it's going to be in the green because like you can see we've had a massive dip at the moment. Once I go through the holdings you'll see what I mean. Some of them are down substantially from when I brought in. We are currently on a downwards trend. So it'll be interesting to see in a year's time if that downward trend continued or if it recovered. So the plan is I'm going to delete the app and I'm not going to download the 212 app until a year's time. So let's go through the holdings and show you what I have. So we have Alibaba, we have under 1 share, we have 0.7 shares and we have £124 invested in that. And it's currently down 43p. We have Google, 0.08 shares, and that is currently up 58p. We have Amazon, we have 0.05 shares, and that is down 92p. We have 1.4 shares of Apple, and that is down 26p. We have Churchill, so Churchill, and by now when you're watching this video, it should have completed its merge with Lucid Motors. So the ticker symbol now should be LCID. Currently when I'm making this video it's CCIV still. You can see that when I brought this it was an average of $41 a share and it's dropped down to $23 a share. So I'm hoping when the ticker symbol changes and the company starts trading we're going to see an upward rise. So I'm hoping by now you'll be able to see that in the green, so it'll be interesting to see where that's sitting. The next one, ticker symbol ETRN. We are up £26 on that one. We have 50 shares. We have Forum Merger, that's another SPAC. So hopefully by now that would have merged with the company. So the SPAC is currently FLLL. So it'll be interesting to see if that's merged by now. That is currently down 14p. We have GS Acquisitions Holding. Again, that is another SPAC. So again, it'll be interesting to know whether that's actually merged with a company now. GSAH ticker symbol. We are down £51 and 21p on that one. Now this is an interesting one. These stocks were actually less than a penny to buy. So I decided to go all in on it and I've literally bought 1 million shares. So very, very interesting to see what's happened with this. Have I completely lost all my money or am I in the green? It's currently up £437 and 50 pence. They're currently going through a lawsuit with a patent that they're claiming another company has stolen of theirs. So if that lawsuit, they win that lawsuit, I'm hoping that's going to go up. This I've actually put a pending order on it to sell. So you can see the pending orders I've put on there only because this is a very fluctuating stock. It's going up and down, up and down. So if it does reach those gains, which I don't think it will be reaching those anytime soon, at least in the 2 to 3 years, if it does win the lawsuit. But if it does hit that, while I'm not looking at the app, I want to take some profit on that. So you can see the pending orders on that one. So that'll be interesting to see what happens with that one over time. We've got High Tide. We're down 17.69p. Canaboo Group down 18.47p. McDonald's down 11p. Microsoft down at £2.15. We've got 50 shares of Moonpig and that is down £5.82p. We're down £1 and 6p on Netflix. NextGen, this is another SPAC. So again, the reason I've kept some SPACs in here before I delete the app is I think it'll be interesting to see if they've merged. SPACs, I'm pretty sure with a SPAC, it has to find a company to merge with or acquire within 2 years. So it'll be interesting to see if it's merged yet or if it's still looking for a company to acquire. But I'm currently down 33p on that one. And you'll see that all the SPACs I have 30 shares of, so it'll be interesting to see what that is worth now. NEO, this is where I've had a massive hit. I got in there just after NEO Day, so I got in there when the stock price was quite high. It's taken a massive hit recently. If I go over the past month, you can see it's just plummeting. It's a green day so far today, but as a trend, it's actually on the way down at the moment. You can see I have 105 shares and I'm actually down £1,633.34p, a massive 35, nearly 36% in the red. So really interesting to see where this will be in a year's time. Tesla, I have 0.2 shares and they're up £1.18p. The Cheesecake Factory, as recommended to me by Graham Stephan, you can see it's a red day today, but overall it's up £55.72p, which is a 15.48% return. Unilever, I've got 3.16 shares of those, and it's down 23p. And then Walt Disney, 0.5 shares, down 24p. If we go to my allocation, you can see we have 21 investments in total. You can see NEO takes up the most of them, closely followed by HCMC, and then you can see the other holdings are a lot smaller. So most of the other holdings, the smaller ones, they've actually been brought into a pie. So if you go to the pie, I've called it a guaranteed growth pie. So far it's down 73p, but I'm hoping over a long period of time that will go up. So again, it'll be interesting to see where that's sitting now. And again, that's just 10 holdings. That's just my pie there. So like I said, this video is going to be edited now and I'm going to upload it to my channel with a release date of exactly a year from now. So it'll be very interesting to see how this portfolio is looking now. Let me know in the comment section below how you think this portfolio is looking. Is it going to be up? Is it going to be down? And then tomorrow I will download the app again. I'll log in after, like I said, a whole year of not checking it, and I'll do a video live of my reaction and going through the stocks and showing you what happens if you invest £10,000 in the stock market across a different range of shares. Like I said, we've got some EVs in there, we've got some SPACs in there, we've got some big companies in there, we've got a lot of smaller companies in there as well. We've got that interesting one, the HCMC, which is 1 million shares, so it'll be interesting to see where that's sitting. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video when we go through the portfolio.